Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my whole got talent.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back again with another video. This one's just gonna be a really quick one. This is the review of the Aukey EP-B40 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These retail for about $26 online on Amazon. Post a link in the description down below. Now, full disclaimer, I didn't purchase these. I actually won these in a giveaway Aukey was doing over on their Instagram page. So I actually won on April 1st. I thought it was an April Fool's Day joke, but they said it wasn't, and these showed up a couple days later. So once again, thanks Aukey. Now, right into review. In the packaging, simple packaging. We get two boxes. Put those off to the side. Under here, user manual, which no one ever reads. Aukey's little product warranty card, which always pretty cool to see, and a little carrying pouch. Right, but had a little snap connector, so not bad. In one box we have, now I did use these before I did this review. I just put everything back in to, let you guys see what my experience was. Normal micro USB charging cable, set of earbuds and pins. Just trying to get everything out. Okay. The big ones, the small ones. Cable control, and get the fins here. That's it. So that's what you get in the one box. It's up to the side. And the other box is what we came to see. And here they are. Now, honestly, I've never used earbuds with these little fins on them. I just generally been a fan of the over-the-ear design, so this was new for me. But I have to say these fit really good, like really good. I have no complaints. Magnetic connection, so if you're around your neck and they're just dangling there, they just sit there. Now, to be honest, I've never looked into earbuds with the controls in line like this. Just personal preference. I just felt like if you're doing exercise or anything like that, which these are IPX4, so sweat and rain, it's no problem, it can handle it. Any physical exercise, I just felt like they just drag you down. They don't. But for me personally, these would be my everyday use headphones. These will be like a lounging headphones when I'm sitting, sitting on the couch, want to listen to music real quick, anything like that. And that sound quality is really good on these. I can't complain about the sound quality either. You get about 8 hours of music playback time. I think it's all like 240 something hours of standby time, which is incredible. All packed into this little guy right here. Damn, as technology changed. But I really give it to Aukey for doing a good pair of earbuds. That's it. Appreciate it, you guys, just rocking with me for this little quick review. Again, thank you Aukey for my prize. So don't forget, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know how everything's going on your end of town. Let me know what I can do better, and see you on the next one. Peace.
I'm looking at the bank, say, miss, I do not want to tell you. Nuts with my gang.